Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, we're going to be playing around with the Morphe 359A palette today, and this is the look that I came up with using that palette. I want to tell you so far guys that I just love this palette. As you can see in the video, I'm going to be raving about this palette. This palette is so good. I know I'm a little behind and a little late on the Morphe 35A train, but honey, I'm so glad that I finally put this video out and that you guys see my thoughts on the palette. So I did use a couple new products in this video as well, so I will be getting kind of a first impressions on those too. So without further ado, I'm going to stop talking and get straight into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and see you in the video. Hey guys, new year 2018, new GoldenSpice, new video. Look, my autofocus need to get together because we're not about to do this whole video, okay? Like, let me be great for once, please. Okay guys, so you already see that I have my eyebrows completed. I have a eyebrow tutorial on my channel, but I will be coming out with the updated eyebrow routine, so be on the lookout for that. But I'm just going to start out by prepping the skin. I already used my moisturizer. What I use is the Cetaphil moisturizer. Yeah, my skin is like super dry, so that stuff is really good. And then I'm going to put some of the NYX Hydro Touch oil primer. Okay, and for foundation today, I'm going to be using the new NARS foundation. So let me tell y'all, before the big hype came about, look, I was in Sephora the other day and I was looking at all like the foundations that I be seeing people rave about, and I wanted to try it. So every time I want to try a new product, when it's multiple products, I always get a sample. Like, don't forget, you can always get a sample. Sephora always gives me samples. I'm famous for getting samples because I want to know how the product is before I spend my money on it. So I got a sample of the new NARS foundation. I didn't even think it was going to be like a big deal. Now that I see like everyone has all these videos about it, I'm like, sis, I got it. So here's my little sample. And I already used it once, and oh my god, I freaking love it guys. Like, I really love it. So for sure, when I get a chance, I am going to go buy the full bottle because this stuff is amazing. I did get a sample of the Sheer Glow foundation too while I was there, and I like that one too. Oh, and I'm blending this out with the Real Technique sponge, but I like that one too. But this one is just everything. So I think I'm gonna get the full size of this one, and just look how it's just blending into my skin. Like, I cannot wait to get the full size of this, like, honestly. And just look at that. Like, look at my skin, sis. I'm slicing it, but no, I'm really not slicing it. Like, look at my skin. Like, what the fuck. I'm gonna try out this new color. Well, I don't think it's new now, but it's new to me. This ColourPop concealer. And yesterday was my first time trying this out, and oh my god, it's my holy grail concealer already, and I only wore it one time. Like, watch how this transforms my skin. Just watch. And the shade that I'm in is Tan 50, and it just glides on so like good, and the wand is like super flexible, which y'all probably already know this by now because so many people have did videos on this concealer. I'm just late as fuck, but I still want to tell y'all, like, it's bomb. Like, the hype is real. It's bomb. So now that I got that on, I'm going to blend it out. And this is another new product that I have. It's the Morphe sponge. It's so cute. I love that it's red. It's so cute. And then it has the little angle for my little contour. Oh, I forgot all about cream contour. I don't normally cream contour, but I have started to cream contour recently, and I see the difference in my contour. So I'm going to take this NYX mineralized stick foundation in espresso and just contour my cheekbones. And a little bit on my forehead. I really don't have a forehead, but I like my forehead to look a bit bronzy, so I just put a little bit on my forehead. Do y'all see how that stuff is just blending out like butter? I just can't get over this fucking concealer. Like, where have it been all my life? Normally I have to mix my concealers. Like, I always mix my concealer. With this, girl, I don't have to mix. I don't have to do nothing. Like, I just put it on and then we just slay. Like, I'm gonna blend out my contour with this NYX 50 brush. So to set my concealer, I'm going to use these two. This is the Sacha Buttercup, and this is the Revolution Legendary Baking Powder in Banana. And this is in banana too. I never bake. Like, I'm not a baking person because, like I said, my skin is really dry, and if I bake, I just gonna look like a flaky biscuit, and that's not cute. So I just like to press it in the skin with a damp beauty blender, and I set my eyelids too, which I said I was not going to do because I wanted to try out that new technique of not setting your lids and putting the eyeshadow on, but I totally forgot, so that's okay. I can try that out in another video. Now I'm gonna take this other side to cut my contour. Okay, cheekbones. Snatch to the goals. I see you. Okay, so to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take this NYX No Filter powder, and this is in Deep Golden. And I like to take this on like a fluffy brush and just put it all over. Okay, so now that the face is semi-snatched, we're going to come back to that and move on to the eyes. And as you all know, you already know what palette I'm about to use. It's the Morphe 39A palette. I'm so excited to use this. I had this palette since Christmas, but I wanted to do kind of like a first impressions video on it. So here it is. This palette is so huge. Like, it covers up my whole freaking face. And I know y'all probably already seen the shades, but I want to show it to you guys again. This palette is freaking gorgeous. Like, look at all these beautiful colors. Like, I just love it so much. I can't wait to use it. So let me shut up and let's get into the eyeshadow. I'm going to zoom you guys in closer. Ooh, hey. Okay, so starting off with this shade right here, Transitional. We're going to use this as a transition shade and blend it above the crease. So starting off, I can already tell you guys that these shadows are so creamy. Like, oh my goodness, they're like blending like a dream. Now I'm going to take this color Pine right here and I'm going to blend that underneath. And then we're going to go back in with Transitional just to blend out the edges and make sure there isn't any harsh lines. And now that those two are blended out, we're going to go in with Muse, and it's the only black shade in the palette, and we're really going to focus that on the outer V. And then go back in with Pine. Alright, so now that we have those shades blended out, it's looking nice. We'll go and cut the crease. And to cut the crease, I'm using Camouflage Concealer in Nude Beige. Now that the crease is cut, we're going to pack some glam right on top of it. Now I will say this shadow does has quite a bit fallout, but I really don't mind, especially if the colors is going to be like this pigmented and creamy. I don't mind the fallout, so this is a little disclaimer I wanted to add. But going back into Pine, we're going to blend that right here on the outer edges. And now we're going to go back in with Muse and blend that on the very outer V. And so now that we're done with the top, we're going to take all the colors that we put at the top on the bottom, starting with Transitional. I'm going to take NYX Slide On Glide On pencil and just put that right in my waterline. And for the last step, we're going to take Muse and just smudge that liner out. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to pop on some lashes and zoom you guys back out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that the eyes is done, and I just so love them. I love how it came out. We're going to finish up the face really quick, and I'm just going to go contour a little bit more. And I'm going to use that same NYX No Filter powder, but this shade is in Mahogany. And to highlight the face, I'm going to use NYX Born to Glow highlighter. And I know y'all probably like, dang, she using a lot of NYX products, and that's because I really love NYX. And soon to come, I will have a full face using all NYX products video, so you might as well just go ahead and hit that bell down below so it can notify you when I'm going to upload next. So taking these two shades right here, I mixed them together, and we're just going to highlight. And look how blinding this highlight is. And to set everything in place, we're going to use the NYX Dewy Setting Finish Spray. I don't know what I want to do for lips today. I was thinking kind of like an orange lip just to tie in with the green. What do you think? Let me see. I have this ColourPop shade in Mama, so let's see. This is how it looks. Alright, let's just see how it looks. Hopefully it turns out right. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it just as much as I did. I really miss doing makeup tutorial for you guys. If you like this look, don't forget to thumbs up this video, leave a comment below, and also subscribe to my channel. I love you all as always, and I see you in my next video.